I love that ear, eh? Something about that ear. Hot and cold. Did you know that hot and cold, COLD? COL is 3634. The cat doesn't like the phone. You know the cat doesn't like the phone. Cat's energy. Oh, I'm so sure of myself. I'm so sure of my perfect science. In fact, I might, and I always like to do this. There's those who know all the numbers and create their science, and I just know the truth and the reality. I don't know how exactly it works other than the numerological calculation. And I'm not even 5 steps into the realm of everything. I got to learn all these numbers. I got to remember all the elements. I got to know a kilometer, how much it is towards a mile, how many feet in a mile, how many meters in a yard. And once I know all these things, it's just going to flow, man. Whatever the size of the moons are in the zodiac. And once you remember all this, it's like a puzzle in your head. And I can just tell you how high you have to go before you start sliding off the roof, right? How high do I have to go on top of the building before I get to the roof? And then once my head hits the roof, right, I have to go up 6 more feet to get myself on the other side of the roof and all the shackling that it takes to put together the roof. You understand? My head might hit the roof, but I need to put my feet on top of the roof. So I'm standing on my own head. So I'm twice my height. You ever think of that? Peace, man. Peace, man. The smoke in the air. You ever look at it? You ever look at the smoke in the air? You ever think of what it might be, the smoke in the air? Right? All the smoke is so they can outline our body, right?